to do a midterm exam about scholarship interview.
Before starting the scholarship interview, let us introduce ourselves first.
My name is Laurencia Wendia Kalista.
My name is Olivia Vivicaliana.
Let's get started.
Hi, please introduce yourself first.
Okay, my name is Laurencia Wendia Kalista. You can call me Lauren.
Okay, Lauren, I want to ask you some questions. First, what unique perspective or contribution do you believe you can bring to this academic institution?
I hope that by participating in this scholarship program, I can become more communicative, creative, and adaptive. The contribution that I can make through this scholarship program is to strive hard to achieve good academic results and commit to achieving high achievement. And what I can do is to be active in academic and non-academic fields. Actively participate in organization on my university and in the community. I want to share my experience and knowledge about Indonesia with friends from various countries. I also want to learn from them about culture and relevant global issues. I hope to use this scholarship to make a significant and positive contribution during my studies.
Okay, next, how has your intellectual curiosity shaped your academic journey, and how will this scholarship enhance your aspirations?
Okay, my intellectual curiosity has shaped my academic journey by encouraging me to always learn and explore new knowledge, both through formal studies and experience outside the classroom, such as scientific competition and discussion. During my studies, I have continued to adapt to more complex challenges, hone my critical thinking skill, and deepen my understanding of psychology. This scholarship will provide financial support that will allow me to focus more on my studies and develop my academic and professional potential. In addition, this opportunity will help me deepen my research and increase my capacity to contribute to the field of psychology so that it can provide wider benefits to society.
Okay, good. Next, can you discuss a time when you faced a significant academic or ethical dilemma, and how did you navigate it?
When working on a group assignment, I faced a dilemma when some team members were not contribution enough. I could choose to complete the assignment myself for the best result or encourage them to more involve. I finally chose to discuss, divide the task fairly, and motivated them to more responsible. Although it took extra effort, this method made all them members more aware of their roles, and we managed to complete the assignment well. This experience taught me the importance of communication, leadership, and collaboration in facing academic challenges fairly and effectively.
Okay, how do you balance ambition and humility in your pursuit of academic excellence?
I balance ambition and humility by continuing to learn, being open to criticism, and appreciate the process. Ambition drives me to excel, while humility reminds me that there is always something to learn from others. I also try to help friends in need because I believe that success is not about personal achievement, but also about how we can grow together, share knowledge, and have a positive impact on others and the environment.
Okay, If given the opportunity, how would you use your education to address a pressing global challenge?
If given the opportunity, I would use my education in psychology to address global challenges related to mental health. With stress and mental health disorder on the rise due to social pressure and environmental change, I would like to contribute to research, education, and more accessible intervention. I also hope to collaborate with various parties to create programs that support psychological well-being, especially for vulnerable groups such as youth, workers, and trauma survivors. With a science-based and empathetic approach, I want to help build healthier, more resilient communities that are aware of the importance of mental health.
Okay, thank you for your explanations. Hopefully you will get this scholarship.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Okay, hello, my name is Olivia Vikaliana. You can call me Kalia.
Okay, Kalia, I want to ask you. First, what is the most intellectually stimulating book or research you have encountered, and how has it influenced your thinking?
Eric Fromm's book, The Art of Loving, changed the way I view love as a skill that needs to be learned, not just a spontaneous feeling. Fromm makes the point that love is an active act that requires empathy, responsibility, and discipline. This thinking influenced the way I build relationships, both personally and professionally, and encouraged me to be more active in social activities, to be more modern society, inspired me to understand and build more meaningful relationships. This book not only helped me deepen my knowledge about love, but also provide lessons that are relevant in academic and social life.
Okay, good answer. Next, describe a time you challenged an exciting academic or societal norm. What was the outcome?
There was a time when I challenged the prevailing academic norms, in particular the practice of cheating during exams. In the past, I relied on easy ways like cheating rather than putting in the effort required to actually study. At the first, it seems like an easy way to success, but over time I realized that it made my mind complacent and dissuaded me from trying harder. Eventually, as I got older, I broke the habit as the guilt of not achieving honestly began to weigh on me. Choosing integrity over convenience and not only improved my academic performance, but also strengthened my sense of responsibility and self-discipline.
Okay, next question. How do you cope with setback, particularly in the academic field? And what strategies do you use to maintain motivation?
Setbacks in academics are not to be avoided, but I choose to see them as opportunities to improve, not to fail. When I face challenges, I focus on learning from my mistakes and identifying areas for improvement. To stay motivated, I remind myself of the long-term and future goals I want to achieve. Having a clear vision of my aspirations helped me overcome difficulties with determination. In doing so, I use strategies such as effective time management, seeking support from friends, and maintaining a positive mindset to stay on track and keep moving forward.
Okay, next question. How do you perceive the role of interdisciplinary studies in solving complex global issues?
Interdisciplinary studies are essentials for solving complex global problems as they blend multiple perspectives to create more comprehensive and innovative solutions. Challenges such as climate change, economic inequality, and the global health crisis cannot be effectively addressed by one discipline alone. Instead, these studies require a combination of scientific, economic, and social science approach to develop solutions that are sustainable and practical. Interdisciplinary collaboration, critical thinking, and adaptability we can formulate more effective and long-term solutions to pressing global challenges.
Okay, for the last question, if you were to design a research project with unlimited funding, what issue would you address and why?
I would like to research the effect of social media exposure on mental health and emotion regulation in teenagers. Social media can have both positive and negative impact on teenagers, but the psychological mechanism behind it still need to explore more deeply. This study will understand its impact on emotion regulation, self-concept, and psychological well-being, and develop psychology-based interventions for healthier use. With the result of the study, I hope to contribute to creating a digital society that is more supportive of teenagers' mental health and raising awareness of the importance of digital literacy.
Okay, good answer. Thank you for your explanation. Hopefully, you will get this scholarship.
Okay, thank you.